Welcome to the Integrated Tools section in ActoSync. Integrated tools allow you to connect your AI agents with popular business platforms such as Shopify, WooCommerce, and other supported services. To begin, open the Integrated Tools page. From the Choose Platform list, select your desired platform. In this example, we will select Shopify. Next, in the Account Identifier field, enter your Shopify store URL. For example, https://actosync.myshopify.com or https://actosyncshop.com. After entering your store URL, click the Save Domain button. Your saved store connection will now appear in the Saved Connection list. Select your store URL from the list, then click the Connect Shopify button. ActoSync will securely connect to your Shopify store and automatically display all available Shopify tools and integrations. Now, select the tools you want your AI agent to access and use. Once selected, click the Link Selected Tools button. ActoSync will automatically configure and update the required connection keys, authentication tokens, and integration settings for the selected tools. Your Shopify tools are now successfully connected and ready to use with your ActoSync AI agents. With integrated tools, ActoSync enables your AI chatbot to interact directly with your business platforms, helping automate customer support, product assistance, order management, and much more.